So, hello everyone, I am Nilav Yadav and here we have a Bambu Lab A1 DIY. So now we'll start assembling this printer. We'll need this packet of screws and it is labeled as for base housing, and we'll need this base and the X and Y axis. Now, if we flip the base, we'll see that we have some screws and we have holes for the same layout on this base also. So now we'll need to put this here. So the base will be placed like this, and as we can see that it aligns perfectly with this frame. So now we can just place the printer in this way and just tight these screws up from this screw packet using the L key which we got with the printer. Okay, so while mounting, we realized that here we have a panel which came off from this part. So we have these screws right here, these screws, and we have to place these screws in these holes right here. So we need to eventually lift up this part from the back and then slide it out. Now we have completed the wiring. We have connected the wires to their respective plugs and we have tightened the screw up so that it stays in place. So the printer is almost ready. Now we have to put this purger here. We can just slide it in the pocket which is given to us, and here we have the clamper. So it opens like this and we have to put it here somewhere like this, and now we can just lock it in place. And here we have our display. We have to rotate this display so that it comes here, and now what's left is that we have to put our build plate and we have to start configuring our 3D printer. So our guide tube is ready and we have attached our filament to the extruder via this guide tube, and we have powered on the 3D printer. Now we can start with the basic setup. So this is our touchscreen display, and we have to do all the setup by using our fingers and this screen. So let's start. So now we have to select the language. So I'll go with English. Region that will be Asia Pacific. Now we need to connect it to Wi-Fi. Select Wi-Fi. So here's the Wi-Fi. So we have connected to the Wi-Fi. I stopped recording for privacy reasons, and now we need to use the mobile app of Bambu Lab to set it up. Okay, so now moving on to the screen, the printer's display. Now we have to do the calibration. It takes about 7, 5 and 15 minutes for the whole part. So we can just click on start, and oh, okay, so we realized what the problem was. Actually, there are clamps like these to protect this 3D printer on both the sides. So we have to remove these clamps.